students, hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to learn some more properties of triangle based on angles. As we all know that there are two types of angles in a closed figure. One is interior angles and second is exterior angles. Now let's start. Take a sheet of paper and draw a acute angle triangle. That means all angles of triangle are less than 90 degree. If we extend sides of the triangle, we will get exterior angle. This is our interior angle and this is our exterior angle. Now we extend all the three sides. We name the angles 1, 2, 3. As these are interior angles, we name it 1i, 2i, 3i. And this is exterior angle, we name it as 2x and this is 3x. Take a compass and draw an arc on each vertex. Now what we see that each pair of interior and exterior angle make a linear pair, that is 180 degree. Take a scissor and cut out the triangle. Let's take one more paper. Now we will cut all the interior angles along the arc. Let us name these angles also. Now, if we try to adjust these cutout pieces of angle together, they are forming a linear pair. That is, sum of interior angles is 180 degree. Here what we can write? First property, sum of interior angles is 180 degree. Now if we try to adjust two interior angles on third exterior angle, what we see? it is exactly fitting on it. Likewise, here also we can see this is exactly fitting on it. We can say is exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Now we will cut the exterior angles along the arc. Now we try to put these together. What we are getting? A circle. That means sum of the all exterior angles is 360 degree. We can write sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. Today we have learned that sum of interior angles is 180. Second, exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. And third property, sum of exterior angles is equal to 360. Hope you all are enjoying. Please share with your friends you love. Keep practicing and spread the love of learning.